To the good people of Ghana, we encourage you to go out and cast your votes in an orderly manner. As a commission, we have laid out credible and seamless processes for you. We have employed and deployed sufficient materials, and we trust that your experience will be hassle-free and seamless. To our teeming youth and first-time voters, we encourage you to go out in your numbers to cast your vote in an orderly manner. Do not be used as tools of violence. Say no to violence. As a commission, we assure you that God, being our helper, will do everything in our power to ensure that the elections are transparent, fair, credible, and peaceful, and indeed glorious. And yes, by God's grace, we can and we will. God being our helper, we will make Ghana proud, and we will make God proud. May God bless our homeland Ghana and make his beloved nation great and strong. The majority of the work will start from today through to the election day until the declaration and the days following. In our engagements and interactions with you, you have demonstrated your resolve to conduct elections per excellence, elections that reflect the will of the people as expressed at the polls. We charge you to go forth and to serve God and country in this election and make Ghana proud. We urge you to abide by the values and motto of the Commission, i.e., transparency, fairness, and integrity. Let truth guide you. Our collective roles, yours and ours, is not to make anybody a president or a member of parliament. Ours is to conduct orderly, credible, fair, and highly professional and efficient elections. In doing so, we charge you to do it with integrity and to let truth guide you. Be fair in all your dealings. Be transparent and above board. Follow the directions provided you by the Commission, including the wearing of gloves before counting, the posting of pink sheets at all the polling stations, amongst others. Count the votes accurately and fill out the forms professionally. Your role as presiding officers, and here I'm referring to our presiding officers, and your work at the polling stations, which culminates in the pink sheets, is what determines the outcome of the election. We urge you to do it with integrity and truth, and let God's light guide you. Let us all remember, you and us alike, that at the end of the day, we will be answerable to God for our actions and activities. Let us remember that he will judge us for all we do. We trust in you to ensure that votes that are valid are not declared as rejected ballots.